Hey there, from the Hey Penny Pickers. This is a test and instruction video for the Fisher-Price digital camera. First things, there is a battery compartment at the bottom of the camera. Use a Phillips screwdriver to open that battery compartment door and install 4 AAA batteries. There is a slider door that keeps the cover over the USB port that you can then connect to your computer so you can transfer the images from the camera to your computer. On the top we have a shutter button to take each photo. There are 2 viewing lenses where a child can put their nose right in this little notch here so they can see through both of those viewing lenses to actually point the camera at the item they're taking a picture, as well as a preview of the picture you're going to take will show up on screen, so you can use either one of those. On the left hand side there is a plus or minus button. The camera has a 4x digital zoom. Plus or minus will zoom in or zoom out. There's an audio tone that goes along with it, so it helps sound-wise to let you know that you're zooming in or you're zooming out. On the bottom there is a left and a right button. The buttons are used to go through or cycle through the images that you have taken on the camera. The red X button is to select and delete an image off of the camera, one image at a time. So that way you can delete images from the camera right on the fly instead of having to transfer them to your computer. In order to turn the camera on, you will press and hold the power button, which is the orange circle button in the top right hand corner, for approximately a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will cause the camera to boot up. At this point, once the camera has booted, you'll see a preview of the image that you're looking to take. Again, you can look through the viewfinders or you can simply look at the screen. Zooming in will give you the ability to zoom into a close-up of the item you're taking, and then you can zoom out. When you're ready to take a picture, you would simply press and hold the shutter button at the top, point the camera at the item that you wish to take a picture of, press the button, and you'll hear the shutter sound. It will give you a preview of the image on the camera for a split moment to allow you to view the image you take in case you wish to take a second one. If you wish to take a second one, you press and hold the image, or point the camera at the item, press and hold the shutter button. That will take that picture and once again give you a preview of that image. If you wish to cycle through the images, you use the right and left button. That will cycle through those images. If you wish to delete one of those images, you simply press the red X button once. It'll ask you to confirm you wish to delete, so you press the red X button a second time. That will delete the image off of the camera. Once you're done using the camera, it does have a built-in auto shut-off to where the camera will simply power itself down in case the little ones forget to power the camera off. Saves you on batteries. But you can also press and hold the orange power button for, again, a count of 4, and that will shut the camera down. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.